Hi guys, I'm your Korean bestie, Katie. How are you guys? I hope you guys are okay. Today, we're going to practice some Korean sentences. Today's sentence is, I'm at home and I'm not at home in Korean. Let's break it down step by step. First, I in Korean is 저는. The word for home is 집. To show location, we use 에. And the verb 있어요 means to be or to exist. So I'm at home in Korean is 저는 집에 있어요. 저는 집에 있어요. Now, what if you want to say I'm not at home? We simply change the verb. 없어요 means not to be or not exist. Did you get it? Yay! Try saying it by yourself. So, I'm not at home is 저는 집에 없어요. 저는 집에 없어요. 잘했어요. Let's repeat the sentences. 저는 집에 있어요. 저는 집에 없어요. Let's say it faster. 저는 집에 있어요. 저는 집에 없어요. Great job! 잘했어요. So, keep practicing, and if you replace 집 into some other locations, you can just simply say, I'm not at school, I'm not at park, whatever you like to say. So keep practicing, and if you like my video, please subscribe, like, and leave the comment below. See you next time. 안녕!